Are you looking for the top 5 best table saws for woodworking? Which table saw is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but digging deeper reveals some surprising differences. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 table saws for woodworking to help you make the best choice.
Product number 1, Works Pegasus. First up is the Works Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse, priced at $159.99. What caught my attention here is its portability and versatility. If you want a workspace that's flexible and easy to transport, this is worth a serious look. The Pegasus is more than just a workbench. It converts into a sawhorse supporting up to 1,000 pounds, meaning whether you're working on heavy lumber or just need a sturdy surface for smaller projects, it has you covered. The large surface area of 31 by 25 feet gives you ample space to work, and the built-in measuring guide means you won't be rummaging for a tape measure. Now, some users mentioned that the setup can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, the ease of folding it away is a huge plus, especially for those who are short on space. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who values convenience and portability. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for constant industrial use. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid value here. Now, if the Pegasus's initial setup frustration bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Metabo HPT Miter Saw. Next up is the Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw, priced at $149. This saw features a powerful 15-amp motor that caught my eye for its impressive no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM. If you're looking for precise cuts without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. A powerful motor means you can cut through various wood types effortlessly, making it ideal for all your woodworking projects. The improved miter scale and vise clamping system helps you secure your workpiece, ensuring you get accurate cuts every time. It's lightweight at just 24 pounds, so you can easily transport it to your job site, which is important if you're moving around a lot. But some users found the lightweight design to be a bit less stable compared to heavier models. Honestly, if you're just using it for basic home projects, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable miter saw for occasional projects. Skip this one if you're tackling bigger, more professional tasks. Given its performance and price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Hammerhead Jigsaw. In third place, we have the Hammerhead 4.8 amp 3/4 inch jigsaw, priced at just $26.05. What stood out to me is how budget-friendly it is while still offering decent features. If you're just starting out in woodworking or need something simple, this could be your go-to. This jigsaw comes with variable speed settings, which allows you to adjust the cutting speed based on the material you're working with. Plus, it includes 2 wood cutting blades, which means you can get started right away. The orbital function also helps with smoother cuts, making it easier to navigate curves. However, some users have noted that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's a great starter tool, especially if you're not looking to invest heavily right away. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need an affordable solution for light tasks. Skip this one if you're an advanced user needing heavy-duty performance. For the price, it's surprisingly functional. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4, Skill Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Fourth on the list is the Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, priced at $249. I was impressed with the dual bevel feature, allowing for cuts in 4 positions. If you want precision in your woodworking, this is worth checking out. The powerful 15-amp motor reaching 4,800 RPM gives you quick, detailed cuts. The LED shadow line enhances accuracy, making it easier to see where you're cutting.
Plus, it can handle crosscuts of 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees, which is fantastic for larger projects. That said, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky, making it less portable. But if you're setting up a dedicated workspace, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance saw for detailed cuts. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and easily transportable. Considering the features, it offers good value for serious woodworkers. Finally, if you're looking for something compact yet powerful, let's look at our last product. Product number 5, Wen Bandsaw. Last but not least is the Wen 9-inch bandsaw, priced at $139.48. What I love about this bandsaw is its versatility for different types of cuts. If you want to explore various woodworking techniques, this could be a great choice. With a 2.8 amp motor that rotates the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, you can make cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide. It comes with a spacious work table that bevels up to 45 degrees, which is great for angled cuts. Plus, the included miter gauge and adjustable blade guard add to its usability. However, some users mentioned that the setup instructions could be clearer. Honestly, once you get it calibrated, it performs quite well and can handle a range of projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take on a variety of cutting tasks. Skip this one if you're focused purely on rip cuts. Overall, it offers good features at a reasonable price.
To wrap things up, we covered the Works Pegasus for portability, the Metabo HPT for power, the budget-friendly hammerhead jigsaw, the precision of the skill sliding miter saw, and the versatility of the Wen bandsaw. Each serves a unique purpose, so choose the one that fits your woodworking needs best.